Hey nail nerds, welcome back to Cadence's Claws. Merry Christmas once again everyone, we're almost there, it's only a few days before and I've been procrastinating on this video for quite some time. If you like it around here, please click the like subscribe button, the little bell will let you know when I post something new. There's no regular schedule just yet, I'm told that's a thing, I'll work it out as I go, I'm new to this. We're going to start off today with Christmas red. Can you believe it? There's no more white in my videos. Well, there'll be a little bit of touching with the white, a little bit of white touching. But we're going to go traditional red and green Christmas because we're doing Christmas trees 5 ways today. 5 easy Christmas trees that even I shoved on a nail. So tree number 1 is the pull-through technique. We started with 1 coat of this red colour. It's a Macart colour. I will leave the number down in the description. And we will not cure this layer. As you will see, it will remain wet. Then we take up our green, also a Macart colour. It'll be in the description. And we just lay a line. Doesn't matter whether it's thick, thin, nah, not really. So 3 lines above each other with enough space to put contrasting colours, getting smaller as you approach the top of what will be the tree. So I've placed on the green the Macart white, and this is a gel paint, a gold glitter shimmery gel paint, just a cheapie that I got from, I don't know, Wish or wherever. So because it's all wet, grab a dry brush, start at the bottom and drag it through to the top. Clean it in between. You probably don't have to, but I like to, just so you don't transfer product and mess up your design. So 4 little lines straight to the top, and you can see that it's all been drawn to that point. How cool. Nice, quick, easy, in the lamp. Go and cook that. Once it's cooked, I just faff around, really faff around with the top, putting a little star on the top of the Christmas tree. So number 2 is lines and triangles. This one's really easy as well. They're all easy, so you know I'll be repeating myself. Nice and easy. 1 straight line down the middle-ish of the nail, the middle of the nail, from top to bottom. Then you just want to draw another line perpendicular to that at the bottom, a nice wide line. Faffing Cadence, you're faffing. Okay. So once you've got your bottom line, put product on your brush, oh my god. Okay, put product on your brush, draw another line, slightly smaller, a little bit above. Gee, this is a great description. Wow, commentary plus. Another little line at the top, and this will obviously be the top of the Christmas tree. At the top, you just want to put a little triangle, or make it into a triangle. And be careful when filling in, because you can, if you go into the line, sometimes it starts to get real fat and looks strange. So if you faff as much as I do, it'll just be more difficult to keep the lines nice and crisp. So underneath that triangle, you go from the center point line out to the edge. Same on the other side. Do you see where we're going with this? There's a few ways you could go about this. I've just drawn pretty much a straight line and gone to the edges. You can cure in between each triangle. I haven't. I've just slapped it on here. Like literally this video is 10 minutes and it really did only take me about 15. I'm just cutting out when I'm re-dipping my brush and things like that. So the different ways you can do the lines is like a real curved swoop down to get that sort of cartoony kick-up Christmas tree. You can get that effect. I make the stump at the bottom, or the tree trunk at the bottom, way too thick on this, way too thick. It looks ridiculous, absolutely stupid. But the tree itself, nice, quick, easy. I'm just faffing, getting some lines looking right, and you have a tree. What I'm going to do is take the macaque white on a tiny liner brush and just smash some snow on the tree, yeah? Because here in Australia, or Australia as we like to call it, we get a shitload of snow. No we don't, not on Christmas. It is fucking hot down here. I am literally lying on my bed in my underwear because it is too damn hot for even sense itself. Again, I am putting a little star on the top of the Christmas tree with the gold shimmer gel paint. Off it goes to cook. Tree number 3, the sweeping technique. This is probably my favourite. It is nice and quick and easy. Bam on the nail, swoop, yeah. And then you want to cradle just on the inside of that swoop and swoop back towards the other side. Inside that swoop, up the other side, again, continue, up the nail, getting smaller as you go, and then a sensible person would stop here. That looks okay. No. These nails are fat, so I put another swoop down the bottom. Makes it look a little bit fatter, a little bit more like it's got snow all over it. Boom! In the lab. Tree number 4, the swirl technique. This one takes a little bit longer, takes a little bit more patience, but I think it looks the best out of all of them. Using the medium liner brush, or this is a 7mm liner brush, you just want to draw S's, and draw S's all the way down, connecting the S's at each level. And the more you faff with this, like then, the more you go out of the lines. So draw your S's as best you can, backwards and forwards. S's getting bigger as you go down the bottom. How is everyone's Christmas planning going? I am about to take off a set of nails, the snowflakey fakies that I did. Go watch those manic videos of me making those. Yeah, I'm about to take those off and make chocolate spiders for Christmas Day. What I've gotten is different flavours this time, like hibiscus and honey, and yum, they're going to be epic. So leave in the comments what you were up to, what you did, because let's face it, nobody's watching it now. We're only new on this channel. And if you're liking my random ramblings about absolutely nothing, particularly not nails, yeah, subscribe, become part of the Nail Nerd gang, and you will get to see all of my rather mediocre attempts at nail art. And you'll get to meet Rhonda, who's my little chicken. If I remember, I will insert picture here. She's the best thing in the world, and can't live without her. So, as you can see, getting back to nails, is this what we're here for? Yes, maybe. Getting back to this, it's just S'd its way, snaked its way, all the way down the nail, all the way to the bottom. Looks a bit messy, doesn't matter. It's Christmas, there's snow on it. The more you do them, the better it gets. Tree number 5, this is probably the easiest but my most hated method. What I did here was, not hated, that's a pretty bloody strong word, isn't it? What I did was just use the dotting tool, dipped it in the different coloured gel polishes, So the green macart, the white macart, there's a blue macart coming as well, and the gold and silver gel paints. And I've just dotted randomly, absolutely randomly. There's no rhyme to my reason. There's never rhyme to my reason. Let's be honest with each other. I'll be honest with you. There is never rhyme to my reason. And so you basically just smash dots all over the place. You can cure in between each colour. The effect is different. I haven't, I've just smashed them on there. The effect is different when you dot and cure, because the dots won't kind of meld together into a... yeah, they won't smush together. Okay, stop rambling, woman. I would have made it probably a little bit skinnier, but hey, what can you do? This is all 5 nails. Let me know what you thought of the trees. Let me know what you do to make your trees easier. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll put some videos up before then. Please click like, subscribe, and the little bell, and I will see you next time. Peace out!